Want an LLM agent at home? Build the lab like containment-first. Run it inside a local sandbox. Separate user, folder, and network profile. Give the agent test files, never your real documents, browser, or inbox. Start tools read-only. List files, summarize notes. Inspect configuration, no writes. For actions, use allowlists. Approved commands, approved domains, approved working directories. Block broad shell access until you know exactly why it is needed. Add human approval gates before file changes, purchases, emails, or cloud calls. Keep secrets isolated. Separate vault, short-lived tokens, and no secrets in prompts. Log every prompt, tool call, permission decision, output, and unexpected refusal. Then review logs weekly, looking for drift, risky requests, and hidden assumptions. Test with boring tasks. Rename mock files, summarize docs, schedule fake reminders. Deliberately include safe prompt injection bait, then verify the agent ignores it. Map failures to OWASP risks. Prompt injection, data leakage, insecure plugins. Use NIST AI risk thinking. Govern, map, measure, and manage uncertainty. If using MCP or function calling, expose only minimal, documented tool schemas. The goal is not autonomy everywhere. It is useful automation you can audit. Subscribe for Real AI builds, secure by default.